everyone, a very warm welcome to Swarag Beauty Channel. So today I'm going to be sharing the Galaxy Watch 7 that I purchased from Samsung. This is what I had purchased. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing video of the watch. This is the packaging that it comes in. Nicely packaged. Throw the stuff away. So this is the package. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 44 mm. This is what I had purchased. Really excited to be unboxing with you guys. And then this is the strap that I got with it. It's an athleisure band, also from Samsung. So let's take a look at this and see. So this is what I use to open it up. Not opening it a perfect way, but that's okay. Go. And here's another one. Doing it with one hand is not always the best, but I'm really excited to be sharing this with you guys, so I don't care. Go. The watch. Whoa, look at that, guys. It's amazing. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So this is how it looks like. I picked the green strap, almost like military green. The back of the watch. The back, the front of the watch. And then they have given me this one, as you already know. And let's try and see if I can open this up. Until then, you can take a look at the watch. So here is the charging cable, I believe, that I got. And I'm going to show that here in a second. There it is. Charging cable. This is the charging cable for the watch. And what else did I get? And then here's the band. Let's see if I can turn it on. There, it's turned on now. I already have my older model Samsung watch, so I am going to trade that in. I got $175 for that one, so I'm going to be sending that back and instead going to be leveraging this new one. So you can see all that. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and set that up, but I'm super excited to be using this watch, and I hope you liked my unboxing video. And if you did like my unboxing video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, comment, like. That would make me very, very happy. So this is the other strap that I got. with the package. Oh, by the way, the price that I had paid for it, I think after the trade-in, I'm checking it to see what I paid. Let me see here. I believe after the trade-in I paid $155 after the trade-in. Now, I purchased it during the tax-free weekend here in Ohio, so I was able to avoid taxes, which is the reason why I picked that weekend. And this is one of my bigger purchases. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm gonna be wearing this watch going forward, and will be sending in my old watch. I hope you guys liked my video once again. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.